Ka Deputy Commissioner ka East Coastal District ka kong RM Kurbah kalong ba ko hukum Penteri kami ka odd event system na kabenta ki kali kamay la pensyong nong rem na ka hukum ka Meghalaya High Court na mar ka jingkham nya ki katu ka ni ki jaka nongbah Shillong bat kani ka hukum Penteri kami ki kali penen kam simet na mar ki taksi kamay hi ki dei ka daw jong ka jingdheng kali halor ka jingkali belai ka hukum Penteri kam lang ye ki kali penen kam simet ka kong RM Kurbah kalong ba hadien ka jingwar bnya lalap ba ki kali kamay ki dei ka daw ba kongsan bat ki kali penen kam simet kim yang hakal leng ka nongbah.
For that, I will tell you why. Because when you look at, we have done a study, and we have the order did not come just like that, because the order from the High Court was there from December and other months. Okay, so it took us some time to study why this congestion. We have reports. SP also is here, here. We have done a thorough report, and we've seen who is causing this congestion. Okay. So basically, what we have seen is that since the space constraint, these vehicles are rotating. There's no place for them to stand. They keep on moving from one end. It's like a vicious circle like that, you know. So if we lift half of them away from the road, then definitely there'll be space for everyone to go. And mind you, it's not the private vehicles which are causing the traffic, because they're not standing anywhere. They are moving. So therefore, we cannot compare that why we are doing this only for the local taxis and buses.